Hi guys, and welcome to a new guitar lesson. In this video we're going to learn how to play Toxicity by System of a Down. If you want to play along to the original one, they tune in drop C, and that's tuning down all strings but the 6th string, tuning down them 1 tone, 2 steps, and tuning the 6th string 2 tones down, in a way that you get on the 1st string a D, the 2nd an A, the 3rd an F, the 4th a C, the 5th a G, and the 6th a C. Anyway, in this video I'm going to tune in drop D, so I only need to tune down the 6th string in a way that it becomes a D. Okay, that's a really normal way to tune the guitar in rock and metal music, because in that way you can play power chords only using one finger. Okay, so tune down your 6th string to a D, and let's begin. Okay, so once you have tuned your 6th string to a D, we can start, and we're going to start with the intro. And the intro of this song has 2 different parts. One where we hear only 2 guitars, and then the 2nd part is with the full band. Okay, so let's start with the first part of the intro, and we're going to start with a D5, and that's putting the index finger on the 5th fret 5th string, and at the same time the ring finger on the 7th fret 4th string, and we're going to keep alternating on the right hand the strings 5 and 4, like this. Okay, but at the same time, with the right hand, we have to mute the strings. We put this side of the hand right after the bridge, so we get that sound. And there we have the first 2 measures, like this. Okay, you get it? Okay, and then we move the same position to the 8th fret. There we get an F5, and we play the same thing. Okay, so there we have the measure 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then we come back to the first chord on the measure 5. The measure 5 is like the first one. But now we're going to change a little bit. We're going to add the pinky finger to the 8th fret on the 4th string, and this time with the right hand we're going to play the strings 4, 5, 4. Then we lift that pinky finger to have the D5 again, and we play again 4, 5, 4 on the right hand. Okay, so the measure 5 and 6 sound like this. Okay, you get it? I play one more time. Perfect, and then we move again to the F5, and we start playing like on the measure 3. But now we're going to add the pinky finger on the 12th fret, and we play 4, 5, 4. Then we lift that pinky finger to play again 4, 5, 4. And then we have a half bar where we hold down both 4th and 5th string on the 8th fret. And with the right hand we play again 4, 5, 4. So when we put together the measure 7 and 8, sounds like this. play it one more time. So when we put together from the measure 5, sounds like this. Okay, you get it? Let's try to play those 4 measures together. From the measure 5. It's 6/8, so I'm going to count like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's play one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now let's play from the beginning. So we have the first part of the intro. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's play one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Perfect, so now let's play the game a little bit faster, like this. If you can. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Perfect, and when they come to the last measures, they start lifting the right hand to stop muting the strings, like this. Okay, so there we have the first part of the intro, and now the rest of the band starts. We play with distortion on the guitar, and we're going to play like this. We start with a D5, and we are in drop D, so we just have to play the lowest strings. You can play the 6th and 5th, or the 6th, 5th and 4th. And right after we have rest, so it's like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Then we arrive to the measure 10, and we're going to play with the middle finger the 3rd fret on the 6th string. Then 2nd fret, open string, 2nd fret, and the D5 again. When we play those 4 tones, we're going to mute the strings again, like this. But not when we play the power chord. And it's really important that we keep alternating the pick here, because we have to play really fast here. So it's down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so there we have measure 9 and 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we come with the middle finger, we do a half bar on the lower strings on the 8th fret. And then we change to the 7th fret with the index finger. So it becomes. If for you it's difficult to do that bar with the middle finger, you can play both with the index finger. Okay, so there we have the measure 9, 10, 11 and 12. I play one time and then we try together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now let's play together, a little bit slower. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's play one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we arrive to the measure 13 and 14. Those are the most difficult measures of the song. And we're going to play that melody that we did 3, 2, 0, 2, 0. It's almost the same, but this time we're going to add another 0, so it becomes, okay, 3 2 0 2 0 0. And we play that 4 times, like this. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, so practice that a lot because they play it really fast. And after that we play those 2 chords again. Okay, so now we can play from the measure 9. I remind you that the 9, 10, 11, 12, we have to play them 2 times. Okay, so we do like that. 9, 10, 11, 12, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And we repeat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Let's play it one more time at the same tempo. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We repeat. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And 13. Perfect. And now let's try to play it a little bit faster, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Okay, perfect. And then we arrive to the measure 17, and the 17, 18, 19 and 20 are the same as the 9, 10, 11 and 12. So there we have the whole second part of the intro. So let's play the whole second part of the intro. We take a little bit slower again, like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Thirteen. And 17. Perfect, and there we have the whole intro. After the intro, between the intro and the verse, we have some kind of bridge where they play the first part of the intro again, that. Okay, so we can play that already, so let's skip that and go directly to the verse. The first 2 measures of the verse are the same as the intro. Okay, but this time when we move the hand to the F5, we start on the same way, strings 5, 4, 5, but after that we're going to add the middle finger on the 9th fret on the 3rd string, and with the right hand we play the strings 3, 4, 5. Then we add the pinky finger on the fret 10, and we play again strings 3, 4, 5, and we lift again that pinky finger. So there we have the measures 31 and 32, like this. Okay. I'm going to show one time from the measure 29, and then we try together. Okay, now let's try to play those measures together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's say one more time. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. And then when we come to the measure 33, those 4 measures are the same as the 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th measures. Perfect. So there we have the whole verse. Let's play the whole verse one time. Together. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, but this time we have to repeat it. So we play the verse 2 times. And after that we come to the chorus, and the chorus is exactly the same as the second part of the intro where we play. So there we have already the intro, verse, bridge between the verse and the chorus, and the chorus. And that was Toxicity by System of a Down. I remind you that if you visit my website, EasyGuitarTube.com, you can download the tabs there and you can find many other lessons. And if you want to support this channel, please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this lesson, just give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching this video, and I see you in the next one.